want to speak real-life English confidently? You're in the right place. Welcome to Learn English with Actions. I'm Emma. In today's lesson, we're practicing everyday English sentences. Let's begin. I prepare breakfast. Repeat after me. I prepare breakfast. That means I make food in the morning. I have a healthy breakfast. Repeat after me. I have a healthy breakfast. That means I eat good, nutritious food in the morning. I'll have a cup of coffee. Repeat after me. I'll have a cup of coffee. That means I'll drink coffee. I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Repeat after me. I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. That means this is my regular breakfast time. I pack my lunchbox every day. Repeat after me. I pack my lunchbox every day. That means I prepare my lunch daily. I get dressed. Repeat after me. I get dressed. That means I put on my clothes. I put on my shoes. Repeat after me. I put on my shoes. That means I wear my shoes. I put on my jacket. Repeat after me. I put on my jacket. That means I wear my jacket. I wear a hat. Repeat after me. I wear a hat. That means I put a hat on my head. I check the weather forecast. Repeat after me. I check the weather forecast. That means I look at the weather report. I carry my bag. Repeat after me. I carry my bag. That means I take my bag with me. I leave home. Repeat after me. I leave home. That means I go out of my house. I lock the door. Repeat after me. I lock the door. That means I secure the door with a key. I catch the bus. Repeat after me. I catch the bus. That means I get on the bus. I listen to a podcast. Repeat after me. I listen to a podcast. That means I listen to an audio show. I arrive at the office. Repeat after me. I arrive at the office. That means I get to my workplace. I start working. Repeat after me. I start working. That means I begin my work. I work on the computer. Repeat after me. I work on the computer. That means I use the computer for my job. I attend a meeting. Repeat after me. I attend a meeting. That means I join a work discussion. I check my emails. Repeat after me. I check my emails. That means I read my messages. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!